Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. Today, we're diving into something super exciting: how to send ETH for free in 2025. If you're tired of those annoying gas fees eating into your crypto, you're in the right place. Ethereum has evolved a lot, and with new tech like Layer 2 solutions, you can now send ETH without breaking the bank. Let's break this down step by step so you can start saving money right away. First off, understand that free transactions often rely on networks that minimize or eliminate fees. In 2025, tools like Optimism or Arbitrum are game changers for this. Step 1. Set up a compatible wallet. I recommend using MetaMask or Rainbow. Download it if you haven't already. Make sure it's updated to support Layer 2 chains. Step 2. Switch to a low-fee network. Open your wallet, go to the network settings, and select something like Polygon or Base. These are built on Ethereum but handle transactions faster and cheaper, often at zero cost for small transfers. Pro tip: always check the network's current status on sites like Etherscan to avoid any surprises. Next, prepare your transaction. In your wallet, enter the recipient's address and the amount of ETH you want to send. Before hitting confirm, look for options to use sponsored gas or fee rebates. Some DApps offer this as a promotional perk. For example, if you're sending through a DeFi platform, they might cover the fees for you. Now, confirm and send. Once it's done, you'll see your ETH transferred without those hefty charges. But remember, nothing's truly free. There might be trade-offs like slightly longer wait times or needing to bridge assets back to the main Ethereum network. In conclusion, sending ETH for free in 2025 is all about leveraging smart tech and the right tools. Give this a try, and let me know in the comments how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.